'Twas the season for service, and all through the shop, our tools and our talents were challenged non-stop. Like Santa's own team, we worked with great care, in hopes your machines we'd restore beyond compare. Now Dave, Bobby, Eric. Now John, Mark, and Jay. On Keenan, on Curtis, on Seth, Jack, and Wayne. To the top of the turret, down the length of the goal. Now scrape away, scrape away, scrape away all. Mike spoke not a word, but hurried straight to their work, and lent his own hand, then turned with a smirk. We've done it again. Good job, he proclaimed. Another machine restored. Happy customer we've gained. Thus, to our valued customers, we extend our good cheer. So incredibly grateful for partnerships this year. May your holidays and machine ways be sparkling and bright. Merry Christmas from Peiffer, and to all a good night.